Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're gonna learn about how to combine two oblique prism to a single resultant prism. Before I start with this video, I recommend you to watch my previous two videos on compounding and resolving prism. Link will be given in the description, or you can click I button also. So if you want to combine two oblique prism into a single resultant prism, so first step is to break both oblique prism into horizontal and vertical component 2.83 prism towards 135 degree. So we're gonna solve this now. Prism direction is toward this side and the angle from here to here is 135 degrees, and we're gonna make it as a right eye triangle. So this is a 90-degree angle, and this one we have to calculate, which will be equal to theta will be equal to 180 minus 135 degrees, which will be equal to 45 degree. Length of hypotenuse is given here only, so it is 2.83. So we need to find out these two sides, perpendicular and the base. As it is a right eye triangle, we're gonna use sine theta, which will be equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 45 will be equal to perpendicular divided by 2.83. So perpendicular side will be equal to 2. As this side is perpendicular, so it is going toward the upside, towards the 90 degree. So we're gonna write it as towards 90 degree. We're gonna find next cos theta will be equal to base by hypotenuse. So cos 45 degree base by 2.83. So after solving, it will come as 2 prism diopter towards 180 degree. As the base is going towards this side, so we're gonna write it as a 180 degree. Next here we'll write a vertical and then horizontal. So vertical will be 90 degree. So we're gonna write it 2 prism diopter towards 90 degree, and horizontal will be 2 prism diopter towards 180 degree. This one we have solved, and we have resolved obliquely placed prism into its component. So next is we're gonna resolve the other prism, which is 5 prism base towards 37. So again we're gonna draw it as it is for the right eye. So nose is this side. So as it is saying 5 prism diopter base towards 37 degree. So this angle is 37 degree, and length of this is 5. And we need to find the perpendicular and the this side, which is the base side. So we're gonna again apply a sine formula, which says sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 37 degrees will be equal to P by 5. After calculating, it will come 3 prism diopter towards, as it is going towards the upside, so we're gonna write it as a 90 degree. And same way we're gonna find cos theta also, be B by H, B by 5. After calculating, base will come as 4. So 4 prism diopter, base as it towards the 0 degree, so we're gonna write it towards the 0 degree. So 90 will be our vertical, so we're gonna write 3 prism diopter towards 90 degree and 4 prism diopter towards 0. So we have resolved our 5 prism base towards 37 to its component horizontal and vertical prism. So now we're gonna add this vertical with this and this with this. So here a point to remember, if degrees are same, so it will be addition. Otherwise, if they are opposite, 180 and other is working towards the 0, so they are opposite, so one is working toward this side and other is working toward other side, so it will be a subtraction, not addition. Okay, so vertical will be equal to 5 prism diopters towards 90 degree, and horizontal will be equal to 2 prism diopter. 4 minus 2, it will come 2 prism diopter. Here degree will be written of bigger prism power. So as 4 prism is the bigger than your 2 prism, so degrees will be written of 4 prism diopter, which is 0 degree. Now these two prism into a single resultant prism. As it is saying towards 90 it is 5, so we're gonna write 5 here, and towards 0 it is 2. and we need to find this resultant prism and this angle also, as it is a right eye triangle. So we can apply a Pythagoras theorem here, where it is r square will be equal to, so this side is also equal to 5 because this side is equal to 5. So we're gonna write it as 5 square plus 2 square. So r will be under root of 5 square plus 2 square. After calculation, r will be equal to 5.38 prism diameter. And we need to find now this angle also. So it will be given by tan theta, which say perpendicular by base. So perpendicular is 5 divided by 2, and your theta will be tan inverse of 5 by 2, which will be equal to 68.27 degrees, which we're gonna round off towards the 68 degrees. So resultant prism will be equal to 5.38 prism diameter towards base towards 68 degree. Thank you everyone. If you have any query, please put it in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply them.